camper trailer is a trailer towed behind a road vehicle to provide a place to sleep which is more comfortable and protected than a tent. It provides the means for people to have their own home on a journey or a vacation without relying on a motel or hotel, and enables them to stay in places where none is available. However, in some countries, campers are restricted to designated sites for which fees are payable. Bruder EXP 4. Access a world of adventure with the Bruder EXP 4, the ultimate off-road camper trailer. The Bruder EXP 4 is the benchmark for capable, compact, fully off-road camper trailers. Intuitive technology and unrivaled quality allow you to access the most remote of locations with ease. Leave the crowd behind. The patented Bruder suspension system has revolutionized off-road adventure and camping, with the Bruder EXP 4 able to level out uneven terrain and counteract steep slopes on the move. Designed to soak up bumps, undulations, and corrugations like no other off-road, off-grid camper trailer, you will only get there with a Bruder. The body cell has been engineered to handle up to 10 times its own body weight and tested for durability in 50 degrees Celsius ambient heat and 20 deg C high altitude conditions. Internally, the EXP4 offers a huge sense of space. With plenty of storage woven through the streamlined design, the interior can be tailored to accommodate young children, and a rooftop tent can also be optioned to provide sleeping for families of 6. Earth Traveler T250LX. When we think of trailers, then one thing almost never pops up: lightweight. Most trailers are behemoths, some weighing over a ton. Not this one. We could deadlift more weight than how much the incredible Earth Traveler T250LX weighs. No, we're not kidding. At only a lean 216 pounds, the Earth Traveler packs a serious punch for its weight class. Made entirely of carbon fiber and Coricel, the trailer's also made to be modular. Optional add-ons include pop-out side walls with tents and pop-up roofs for, well, even more tents. Sherpa. With game-changing style and looks, the Sherpa has brought with it a new meaning to off-road camping. With as little as a click of a button, you can enter the main heated sleeping cabin. Then merely unclip the BRS off-road rooftop tent for the kids, pull out the awning, and you're ready to settle in for the night. Once you've got yourself sorted for the evening and dinner is cooking, you can now unclip the drop-down shower pod and fire up the diesel water heater and get the kids cleaned up. Maybe even watch a DVD on your 23-inch smart LED TV in the main cabin after a long day of exploring. It sounds like it's mom and dad's turn to enjoy their time sitting around the fire with a nice glass of red. The kitchen offers ample fridge space with two 30-liter isotherm fridge, freezer drawers to keep the food nice and fresh. In Tech Flyer Discover, simple fold-down bench you can quickly access your pots and pans to start cooking up your finest bush tucker. We've also included a slide-out drawer for all the foods that don't have to be refrigerated. Once dinner is all said and done and your MKR application has been completed, you can slide out the pop-down sink. Time for the cook's assistant to finally shine in the kitchen and start the cleanup. With class-leading ground clearance, arrival and departure angles, which coupled with the Cruisemaster suspension, this capable off-road home away from home will take you anywhere you want to go. The Sherpa really is in a class of its own. Discover all the corners of the world. Every flyer is built utilizing an all-aluminum, fully welded cage frame, making them strong enough to handle conditions when you find yourself off the paved trail. Discover is the micro-light toy hauler that can go where traditional RVs simply cannot. Discover is the largest of the flyer models and comes standard with a roadside tip-out and can be optioned with a second tip-out on the curbside. Discover is larger on the inside than you might imagine and can comfortably sleep 4 and 6 adults depending on the number of tip-outs. Discover pulls double duty, not only as a spacious adventure camper, but also as an easy-to-tow micro-light toy hauler. Discover takes you places you can't go with a traditional toy hauler, and without the need for a dedicated tow vehicle. Every Intech RV is built utilizing an all-aluminum, all-tube, fully welded cage frame. Aluminum is not only lightweight but will also not rust, and our all-tube construction means we are using the strongest, longest-lasting materials available. Intech flyers are designed for serious camping by people who camp. We use the products we manufacture so we have a better understanding of how our customer use their campers. Airstream. Airstream travel trailers have become an American icon, turning heads on the highway since the 1930s. The inside of each one is just as impressive as the outside, with all the comfort, technology, and convenience that makes travelers and campers anywhere feel like they're home. Shop new Airstream trailers to find your perfect match. So much of what makes an Airstream a great trailer has to do with its body design. The all-metal construction means it is incredibly durable. It is a very similar design to WWII-era aircraft, which were near legendary for their toughness. Airstreams don't rot like other trailers. Airstream is synonymous with travel trailer performance. Not only do Airstream travel trailer perform for decades, but they are one of the most aerodynamically efficient travel trailers on the market. Buying an Airstream will reduce vacation costs while also providing a comfortable and luxurious shelter for the road. Mobi Lodge. Once in a while, in a well-established industry, somebody comes up with an idea that is just revolutionary that changes the landscape of the industry. This is what can be said for the new and exciting Mobi Nomad Hybrid Caravan. A good friend of the Mobi Nomad describes it as a CARACAMPER as it has all the creature comforts of a solid roof caravan and the best features of a camper trailer. The luxury permanent island bed with a hotel-grade premium mattress and the massive full-in-suite bathroom are unrivaled for a caravan. If the inside 4 square meter space for a 15-feet caravan does not impress you, then the fully equipped kitchen will definitely have the neighbors talking. To top it all, the Mobi Nomad is entirely off-road and can be rigged so that it can be enjoyed off the grid with solar, aircon with a more efficient split-unit aircon as an option, and a fully enclosed kitchen annex. The ATM of 2,000 kilograms means it can be towed by almost all tow vehicles, and the aerodynamic shape allows you to have money to spare at the fuel pump. This unique Mobi Nomad does not have more of the same. When it comes to caravanning, it is an out-of-the-box concept which demands to be considered. Make sure you get a feel for this new concept before the guilt of buying wrong makes you regret the decision. That's all for this video. Leave your thoughts on these camping trailers. Also take a minute out and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. See you soon.